In this video, I'll walk you through the procedure of buying shares in Ghana with your mobile phone. Very, very simple and easy. So we are going to download this app, which is IC World from Google Play Store. If you are using an iOS, you go to your App Store as well. So what we are going to do is we search for that app here. So search, and then we search IC World. Good. And then you download it. So it depends on the phone. Some of your phones are not going to be compatible, but then if your phone is compatible, you just download it and open it. So now let's come back here and now let's open it. Good. So this is how the app looks like. So to buy a share in the companies, you need to have to set up a Trade Life account. Yeah. So that one is very simple. When you create a new account, you just tap on the Trade Life. For you to start trading shares like this, you need to create one. So I've already created one, so I can't go through the procedure, and it's going to take like a month or two for your account to be approved. When it's approved, you can come on here and you see all these shares here. You just try to buy any of them. So I'm going to try to buy any of them. I'm going to assume you've already done that. So doing that, you just upload your bank account, your Ghana card details, and I think that's it. And then you send it to them on the app. You do everything on the app. When it's approved, you get a mail and you start trading. Good. So let's try to buy something here. Good. So I'm going to buy this here, which is AWS. ALW, I don't know the company, it's just a procedure with you guys. So the market is closed, so I can't buy. I think I need to search for any of these ones. The market is closed, good, but then I can buy this. So let's say this is a company I want to buy shares in. Very simple. I just tap on the buy when I do that. Good. And you see there's my available funds here, so I'll just have to enter the number of quantity. Yeah, so let's say I want to buy 2. Automatically the app is going to calculate the cost and everything for me. Good. And you can see this here, and this is the cost. So I'll just have to slide. This is normal, and I place the order. Good. And you see my order has been placed successfully. I'm going to get a mail, and when the app is going to execute the buying for me, yeah, people will try to sell yes, and then they kind of buy it for me, something like that. That's the notion. That's how it works, like a P2P platform. Yeah, so after that, you get to own your shares. When there is any sort of meeting or anything, any dividend, you get it into your bank account, you get emails and the rest. But then there's something you need to know. Doing this, you can lose money doing this. Yeah, buying shares in companies, you can lose money in doing this. So you can see this SIC has a share. So you can see their price has reduced. That's a 3.01%, and MTN has increased to 7 cedis. You can drop and it can go up. So I'm not going to advise you to use money that you have or you plan to doing something with it to do these type of things. But if you have some money you want to keep down, you can try this. It's risky, but then you can try. It's up to you, only if you can manage the risk. So that's it on how you buy shares in Ghana using your mobile phone. Very much simple and easy. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. And that's it for the video. Peace.